Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So do you want to transfer money from your credit card to your Cash App? Here's how you can do it quickly and easily in 2025. Transferring money from your credit card to Cash App can be handy if you need to make an instant payment, cover expenses, or send money to someone. But note, there are fees involved. So let's get started. Open your Cash App and go to Banking section. Tap Add Credit Card under the Linked Account section. Enter the credit card information and confirm it. Once linked, you'll be able to transfer money directly from your card. After linking, go to the home screen and Cash App and tap on Add Funds. Now choose the amount you want to transfer from your credit card to your Cash App balance. Select your credit card as the funding source, then tap Add. Confirm the transfer and add the funds will be available within your Cash App balance within minutes. It's a quick heads up, Cash App charges a 3% fee for credit card transfers. So if you're looking to avoid that, consider linking to a debit card or using a bank account instead. Also ensure your credit card issuer allows your Cash App transfers. And that's it. It's as easy as it sounds. Thank you so much for watching.